Hello and welcome. This is Rashid Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the topic called light and EM spectrum, where EM is electromagnetic spectrum. There are a few concepts that you will need to know. I'll quickly list them down for you. So the first one is reflection. Number 2 is refraction. Number 3 is total internal reflection. Now these are all three for the light. Then you will also need to know about colors. How do we see colors? Number 5, you will need to know about lenses plus types of images produced by lenses. Number 6, you will need to know about the EM spectrum. We'll need to know here order, uses and dangers. And number 7, you will need to know about surface properties. When it comes to surface properties, you will need to know about two things. Number 1, their emitting properties, and the next one is their absorbing properties. Now out of this, the most important bits and something that will carry a lot of marks would be total internal reflection, because you could expect a question on investigation on that, number 1. Number 2, this is again, you can also expect investigation question on this section, and you may expect a ray diagram on this section as well. Okay, I will quickly go through the main things that you will need to know. So when it comes to total internal reflection, there are 3 things that you will have to remember. The first thing is ray must travel from dense to less dense material. Otherwise it will not happen, number 1. Number 2, angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. Okay, if these 2 conditions are met, only then total internal reflection will take place. From the lenses, you can say there are 2 types, converging and diverging. Now the converging lens can produce real, can produce virtual, inverted, diminished and enlarged images. So these will all are possible in case of converging. But when it comes to diverging, it can only produce virtual, and it will always be upright, and it will always be diminished. Okay, I can add here where it says real, virtual, inverted, and it can also produce upright as well. Okay, so you have to remember this from lenses. When it comes to the EM spectrum, you will need to know the order. You can say R, M, I, V, U, X, G, where R is for radio, micro, infra, visible, ultra, X-rays and gamma waves. So when you go from radio waves towards gamma waves, your frequency will increase and your energy will increase. whereas your wavelength will decrease. I can say that the red has the longest wavelength, whereas the gamma will have the shortest wavelength, but gamma will have the highest frequency. So gamma is the most dangerous, okay, because it can carry a lot of energy, but the radio is least dangerous because it carries less amount of energy. Now from this section I can take this visible light out, and we know this visible light contains 7 colors. Remember the word Roy G Biv. Same pattern applies. When you go from red to violet, your wavelength decreases, your frequency increases, and your energy increases. That's the most important thing that you need to remember, because then you can talk about the dangers of EM spectrum. This is EM, and this one is visible light. When it comes to the surface properties, you need to remember you've got dark and dull surfaces are good emitters and good absorbers. So in other words, I can say if I have something that has black color, it will cool down quickly and it will also heat up quickly. So in other words, I can say they cool down and heat up quickly. Okay, I've just gone through a few bits from this topic. There is more that you will need to know, but I feel these are the important concepts. We will look at some exam questions in the next video. I wish you very good luck with your exam preparation. Thank you.